It's been 5 days since the fork, and the Bitcoin Cash BCH-BCC blockchain is still on the move as 85 blocks have been processed by miners so far. The 85th block was mined by the mining pool BitClub, a newcomer to the BCH network. The BCH chain is moving a bit more consistently now, but mining profitability and the gaming of the currency's mining difficulty continues to be a struggle for the newly born network. Also read SegWit2x and the tale of 3 Bitcoins. Bitcoin Cash mining difficulty needs to drop more, but something might be stopping it at the time of writing. The BCH network hash rate is roughly around 300 phs, with blocks occurring roughly every 12 hours and some with longer intervals. Currently, there seems to be 4 pools working on the BCH chain, and the largest of them is unknown. Another pool, which has joined in on mining BCH blocks, is a pool known as Supernova.cc, and the group is known for publishing pretty interesting Coinbase messages. Supernova also mines many other digital currencies like Zcash and is only pointing very little hash rate towards the BCH network. At press time, Supernova has only 0.25 phs and 18 workers dedicated to BCH. The Supernova pool on Twitter. The first BCH block took approximately 5 hours to complete and was followed by a block with a 12-hour interval in between it as well. On August 1st, the BCH chain started with the same difficulty as BTC's, and the associated token was only worth $600,700 at the time. That means, unless resources like electricity are completely free, mining the BCH chain at that time was not profitable. At BTC's difficulty, BCH would have needed to be around $2,100 to be profitable. This is why there was an initial 12-hour wait to find the next block. Miners who support the new chain want the difficulty to drop. The difficulty did eventually fall several times, but the price also dived into the low $200s as well, making it 311% more profitable to mine on the BTC chain. The next difficulty drop should lock in soon, and the BitClub pool entry may indicate more miners are becoming attracted to this chain. 24-hour BCH USD charts. According to CryptoCompare on August 5, 2017, Game Theory, the malicious and honest miner. Some people think a malicious miner might be gaming the network to hinder further difficulty adjustments. A few people on forums noticed this happening, as one person writes, "There's a pattern I'm seeing. Someone with quite a lot of hash power is ramping up and producing 2 blocks minutes apart every time the adjustment nearly triggers." Another individual observes the same situation taking place. "I have been noticing the same pattern in real time. We almost reached 12 hours. VIA BTC has no more than 25 ph mining. Last block took 339 minutes and bam, we get a 13 minutes block. This is the 3rd time it happens when we reach over 11.5 hours. Honest miners have been slowing down or pausing for 12-hour periods so they can lower the difficulty even more. Presently, the BCH chain's difficulty is 26% of the BTC legacy chain's mining difficulty. The Bitcoin Cash protocol's rules detailed that in order for the difficulty to adjust down, it utilizes median time past MTP of the last block, and the MTP of the 6 previous blocks has to surpass 12 hours for it to drop another percentage. The gray region, Other, has mined 69% of the BCH blocks and was mined by an unknown mining source. The new entry BitClub now captures 1.18% of the BCH network. The unknown miner hash rate commands 2/3 of the entire network. So malicious miner theory is entirely possible, as these miners can use their hash power to produce a block between the paused intervals. This has caused people to speculate specifically on the unknown miner that has mined a majority of the blocks so far. It doesn't seem to be the Hong Kong miner who was advertising his new cryptocurrency center at the start of the BCH chain. Further, we know the Supernova pool's Coinbase data said fuck Bitcoin Cash, and the pool could also be attack mining, but it has very little strength compared to the unknown mining majority. If anything is disrupting these longer block intervals that are intended to drop the difficulty, it's most likely this anonymous miner. What do you think about the Bitcoin Cash chain getting attacked by malicious miners? Do you think this theory is plausible? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Images via Shutterstock, Twitter, CryptoCompare, and CoinDance. Need to calculate your Bitcoin holdings? Check our tools section.